Hello, Cub family. Welcome back to Curious Cub. Today is a special episode because we will revise the complete chapter Reproduction in Plants. Let's revise everything step by step. What is reproduction? Reproduction means making new plants from existing plants. Plants reproduce in two ways: asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction, only one parent is needed. New plants grow without seeds. The types of asexual reproduction are vegetative propagation, budding, fragmentation, and spore formation. Vegetative propagation. New plants grow from root, stem, or leaf. For example, potato grows from stem, bryophyllum from leaf, and sweet potato from root. This is called vegetative propagation. So, let's talk about spore formation. Some plants, actually reproduce using spores. These spores are, very small. For example, bread mold, ferns, and moss all use spores to grow into new plants. Isn't that interesting? Now, moving on to sexual reproduction in plants. Sexual reproduction happens using flowers. The flower is actually the reproductive part of the plant. There are two main parts: the male part, which is called the stamen, and the female part, called the pistil. Next, let's understand pollination. Pollination means the transfer of pollen from the anther to the stigma. There are two types: self-pollination and cross-pollination. And, agents of pollination include wind, water, insects, and animals. Pretty cool, right? Fertilization. So, after pollination, a pollen tube forms and the male cell travels all the way to the ovule. When the male and female cells join together, this is called fertilization. Remember, male plus female cell join equals fertilization. Seed and fruit formation. After fertilization, the ovule actually becomes the seed, and the ovary turns into the fruit. The seed contains the baby plant, while the fruit protects the seed. Just think, ovule becomes seed and ovary becomes fruit. Seed dispersal. Seeds move away from the parent plant, There are different methods for this, like wind, water, animals, and even explosion. This helps plants grow in new places. So, methods include wind, water, animals, and explosion. Alright, let's quickly go over the complete process one more time. We started with asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction, then moved on to pollination, fertilization, seed formation, fruit formation, and finally, seed dispersal. So, these are the main stages you need to remember. Okay, quiz time. Let's see how much you remember. Question 1. Name two types of reproduction in plants. Question 2. Transfer of pollen is called. Question 3. Ovule becomes blank. What does it become? And question 4. Name one seed dispersal method. Take a moment to think about your answers. Amazing Cub family! Today we revised the complete chapter, Reproduction in Plants. Now you know about asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction, pollination, fertilization, seed formation, and seed dispersal. Great job, everyone! And now, it's time for our next exciting series. Next chapter, Motion and Time. In this new series, we will learn what is motion, measurement of time, speed, distance time graph, and the difference between uniform and non-uniform motion. So, get ready for a brand new adventure. Like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next Curious Cub series, Motion and Time.